Hey guys, for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to show your account details on Revolut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to see your account details and maybe edit them. So let's get started by opening cards. As you can see, on the top of the screen, there's accounts, cards, stocks, crypto, and vaults. All you have to do is tap on cards and then choose a card that you want to show the details of. Now, from this part, I won't be able to show you how to actually do it because it doesn't let me record my details because it's trying to protect my privacy. So I'm just gonna walk you through it. And once you choose a card, you're gonna be met with 3 buttons. Tap on Show Details. And once you do that, you're gonna have to pick from Show Card Details or Copy Details. You're gonna have to tap on Show Details, and then it's gonna show you the details of your account. That's pretty much it. You can also edit from there. That's pretty much it. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.